morning everyone. Today is March 8th and today is the open house from me for my listing at 11 to 2 p.m. So we're heading over there in like 1 hour. It's 8:50 right now. It's going to be about 60-degree weather. Hopefully we got a good turnout. We are ready. We got a binder ready for the open house, for the sign up and to give some stuff out. So let's see what happens today. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, it's another beautiful day. Just kind of getting my thoughts together at the open house. Hopefully we got a good turnout, because I do want my client to get a house in Elizabeth for their 3 daughters. We do meditation, we're praying the Indian gods to make it successful open house. Take some sun in. This car has been a rear end collision. It's ridiculous. I gotta get rid of the Element. I'm thinking about leasing a Tesla, and leasing a Tesla, it's about $190 a month, which is almost close to my gas I put into any of the car that I drive a month. So I'm really thinking seriously to get an electric car, going green. Alright, so the open house, I've invited one of the broker for the mortgage part of it. So if anybody comes in to see the house, he can actually ask, have you been pre-qualified or whatnot. So it's one of the services if you want to offer at the open house. It's a great idea. So at least, it looks like a full service. It works out. They have not been approved. It's a great way to kind of get that information and help them out to get pre-approved. Looks like it has snowed quite a bit, about 2 inches probably. With one more sign. I have 5 signs, so I think it worked out perfectly for all 5s. Alright, there is one more to go. Alright, so here at the location. Day is good actually. It's good sunny weather, hoping to get some traction today. We are ready. Sign up sheet, some extra documentation, our notebook pad. They gotta sign it and take one. We're gonna give this folder where is the property information and mine and Pinky's. So it looks kind of professional, right? We got some snacks, some water will be set up over there by one of my broker lender coming today. So again, we ready? What do you think, Pinky? You ready to go?
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Good luck to us and them.
Yeah, Amanda and Jonathan did a great job. You can see outdoors. Has a great patio, covered. Nice gas stove over there. Fire pit. We're excited. Stressful. I understand it's a stressful time for the seller, our client, and also they want to buy something in Elizabeth. So 15 days to go. Very good. Bright natural sunlight coming in. I mean, from here you can see the entertain dining area, beautiful windows, laundry room. Nice 3 bedrooms over here. Jack and Jill bathroom here. Very nice. Oh, cute giraffe. Beautiful, beautiful. Walking through. Master bedroom. very up to date. Nothing. Let me turn the lights on. Beautiful. Nice clean bathroom. Look at the large windows. Beautiful view. Nothing obstructing. Look at this. You can entertain your friends over here outdoors. Just from the kitchen. Bring your stuff out and just sit and enjoy the view. I think the house is staged very nicely by the owner. They kept it clean, so hopefully we're hoping for a great open house. It's going to be 62 degrees, so I'm excited. Hey guys, so far it's about 12:30 p.m. We have 3 showings. 2 showings people came in through and they were very serious about it. They're going to come back tomorrow one more time, so I'm very happy for those leads. This is the first time that I have brought a friend with me. His name is Brett Lane. He's the same pickleball player as I am. We compete a lot, but he works for 3 Point
Mortgage.
3 Point Mortgage. So he's going to give you some spiel about the mortgage world right now, what's happening with the interest rate and everything. Take it away, Brett.
Yeah, so this weekend the rates are looking really good. We're down to a 6.7 for a 30-year conventional. The, let's see, FHAs are at 6.0 for a 30-year, and that's also VAs. So yeah, the rates are down. It's a great time to buy.
Nice.
How about 15 years?
15-year, you can get a 15-year at 6.0.
6.0. So again, this what I do at the open house, and I think I'm going to make it a practice of myself that I will bring a broker from the lender company to help me out. So anybody walks in, if they're not pre-qualified, nice to have a person like him. And behind the camera, I have my beautiful wife, Miss Pinky. She's the buyer's agent. So I'm the seller. She's the buyer's agent, and we have a broker from the lending company. So we do a full package with Keller Williams Realty. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. Hey guys, Hey guys, so a little update of the open house. It's going great. We had 3 showings so far. Out of 3 showings, we had 2 serious showing. One mom came looking for her son who's moving from California. He's a doctor and he has 3 kids. I think this property is perfect for them because the current owner has 3 daughters. So second family came in with a boy and a girl. They're also looking for the house in a month or so, but I told them this is a contingency offer, it's got to go. So they're going to bring both of them. One is bringing their son, and the second one is bringing the husband. So hopefully it works out for tomorrow, open house. I'm excited. This is great. All right. The owner of this house had kept the Find Dory or Finding Nemo screensaver, but we changed it to this movie, which I like. Animations are good. Me and Brett are the same. Brett, don't be shy.
Hi.
Right, so we're gonna watch this movie tonight. So far we have 4 showings. I'm happy for the open house, what's going on right now. And 2 of them are solid lead. Hopefully they come back for the second showing tomorrow, 12 to 3. All right, our open house is over. We had 5 showings, 2 good lead, a little treat, cookies and some lemon cake. So tomorrow 12 to 3, guys. We just had a lunch at Kava and we're going to see our friend Kumar. Hopefully ride is smooth. We're going after that home, chilling, following up some leads. Hey guys, it's 5:37. We just got back home from our open house. On the way, had to stop by the hospital to see my friend. I just got a showing request at 7 p.m. in Littleton, so I'm just gonna get freshened up a little bit and head out again to show $260,000 property in Littleton. So there you go. We're gonna freshen up a little bit and get ready to go back again. Life of a real estate agent, always on a call.